Well, I really look. It's upsetting me and my homegirls. Hi. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I would ever decide to come on camera and embarrass myself even more than I usually do by looking a mess. Wait, girl. Wait, because did you read the title? Did you read the title? We're about to do a little hair video, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing them little feed in, straight back John, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm not gonna make this long. We're just gonna get into it. As I should. And what about it? So today we're gonna be using Model hair. Already out the pack. I didn't feather the ends or anything like that. I didn't stretch it yet. So I'm gonna go in right now. Separate the hair. I'm gonna be honest, Rona made it very hard to find braiding hair because all the hair stores is closed, and they were saying if you order it offline that it ain't gonna come till May 15th or something like that. And baby, we don't got time for May 15th because decision day is May 1st. So therefore, my mom had went and got some. First of all, she went all the way to Delaware to get some braiding hair because her birthday is today, April 24th, which is the day I'm filming this. So she went all the way to Delaware, which if I live in Philly, so going to Delaware to hike. She went all the way to Delaware to get some braiding hair because it was the only hair store. Like y'all gotta be doing the little dream chasers right now. Like I get a dream chasers for life, but Meek not even here right now. He over there with Milano somewhere. They always talking about some bike life. Like all right. Anyway, due to Rona, I'm using Model hair. I usually use the JKB, the Kaneka line hair, that one, the Vivica Fox one. I usually use that one, but I'm using Model. So let's get right into this. Okay, so my hair is already freshly washed and blow dried. As you can see, so I'm just parting my hair. So really good at parting on other people's head. Not as good as parting on my own head because, you know, I can't see the back of my head. So what I end up doing every time I do my hair is, well, every time I do my own hair, I take pictures of what I'm parting whenever I need straight parts. So you see how I can tell like that's a little crooked right there. I fill it. I just go back and I fill it and do it that way. See? Now I fixed it. So that's my part. And dickhead. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna take my olive oil edge control. Listen, like I said, Rona got us out here struggling. Don't judge. And I'm gonna go on a section like this, just to smooth down my section to prepare for the braid. So we're gonna smooth it up now. So this way. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna comb out the section just to make sure. Just combing out the section just to make sure it's all detangled. And I'm going to take the hair and I'm just gonna pre-split it. So for the front, I only want a little bit of hair. And as you're going back while you braid, your braids are going to get thicker and thicker, so you want to add more and more hair. Okay, so I'm going to take it, I'm going to take 3, like you're about to do a plait, and I'm going to, you know, start like I'm about to do one, and as I go, I'm going to pick up hair each time. See how it's going, so I'll do it again so I can show you. Taking my first piece, and I'm going to wrap it around where I started, and now I'm going to keep going, still braiding. Wrap it around again, keep pushing. So I went in and parted the next section. So I'm gonna go in with my thing, my olive oil edge control again. Put it all over the part. Sorry, it's less comedy in here because people wanted me to be more instructive instead of comedic. And I apologize if you feel like if you're watching this and you feel the same way. I'm not purposely trying to be funny in any of my videos. I actually am a crackhead. I am. Like, I've made my peace with it. I am. So because I'm a crackhead, I try to show that and share that with you in my videos because I don't know, I feel like that's just me. Like, you know, you came to my YouTube channel to see me, so I'm showing you me. I'm a crackhead, so I don't know what you want me to do about that, but I'm a crackhead, so I'm showing you my crackhead side. But if y'all want more instruction instead of me playing around being a goof all day, then I got y'all on that too. So that's why this video is less comedy, more instructional. And if you do like the crackhead stuff more, I mean, believe me, I have videos for it. So just like scroll through my channel. I'm gonna grab the first section, split it into 3. 1, 2, 3. This is gonna come like that. I'm gonna show y'all. That's gonna come like that. That is gonna come like that, like you're braiding. Now you're gonna take this piece like this. Comes under. You grab hair as you grab that. So grab a little bit of hair with it. Grab this one. And grab a little bit of hair with this one. Now with this third one, add the extra hair. Wrap it around. Pull this with the section and keep grabbing extra hair as you go. More hair. If you start to feel some of your hair like frizzing up like mine's is, you take a little bit of extra edge control on your hands, brush it over as you braid. Then mine's a little frizzy at the ends because I need mine's trimmed. And did I trim them before this video? No. Because am I smart like that? No. This is what I mean about the borrow. So you see how I have these 3 sections? I'm going to braid normally, right? But as I braid, I'm going to take a little bit from each section, from the other section as I braid. So I took a little bit from this section for this middle part. I'm going to pull it around, take a little bit again from this side, braid it around, a little bit again from this side, braid it around, and keep doing that, because the more you do it, it just guarantees that it won't unravel. Alright, so I'm gonna go do the rest off camera. I'm gonna come back when all I gotta do is dip the ends, do my edges, and add the accessories. Alright, so I'm back. I'm going to do my edges real quick for you on camera. If y'all want a more in-depth edges tutorial, let me know. So I'm gonna do my edges on camera, and then I'm gonna put some mousse on, put a scarf on, and then while my scarf is on, I'm gonna go dip my ends. Then I'll show you the final product. For my edges, I use Even 24-hour edge tamer, this one. I used to use Murray's, and then Murray started getting like too oily for my edges, so I stopped using it. My mousse I'm using the olive oil one because this is the one I saw everybody else using when I was growing up, when I used to get my hair done. So I'm using, that's what I started using when I got older. Time to go dip them. Okay, so I'm back. Dip the ends. So now all I have to do is remove the scarf. As I should, period. Hold on, let me go get some earrings. Let me get some earrings, cause who you know? Oh, cause baby, who you know? Who you know? You don't know nobody. Because who you know, baby, who you know, period. You don't know nobody. Like, I'm gonna go find somebody for you because you don't know nobody. You don't know nobody who do it like me. Period. You don't know nobody who do it like me. Period. Like, girl, get into it. Get into it. Period. That's all I have to say. Period. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I mean, I enjoyed it. I don't know if I really enjoyed it, but like, I enjoyed the outcome. Period. Like, who look like me? Nobody. Period. All right, I'm gonna stop saying period because I don't even stalk like that in real life. Let me stop. Please stop. Like, I'm doing too much. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If you want to see anything else from me, please let me know what you want to see in the comments. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.